Welcome to the Italian state. As soon as you mention Florence, the city of Giglio, your thoughts turn to the queen of meat dishes, famous all over the world, the Fiorentina. The cut chosen is found in the back of the castle, the loin. However, Dante's homeland also reserves other specialties for meat and wine lovers. So enjoy our curated collection of the best meat restaurants in Florence, and come visit them. Trattoria dell'Oste was ranked 27th in the world's 101 best steak restaurants ranking. Opened in 2010 by Massimo and Antonio Belperio, with time the restaurant has refined the research and selection of meat, taking care of the entire process of supply chain. The animals are all from controlled and certified farms, where they are fed with first-class food. Trattoria dell'Oste offers in its menu meat of 7 different breeds, to be enjoyed in various cuts: fillet, sirloin, steak, and the classic Fiorentina. Simona Arnetoli and Matteo Perduca wanted to honor the Fiorentina steak, and in 2018 they opened a restaurant where the steak reigned in all its succulent goodness, adapting a historic city library 20 meters from the Duomo of Florence. Raw materials without compromise and choices with rigor feed a menu that ranges from traditional dishes to targeted international digressions. Il Brindellone in Florence is a trattoria with traditional cuisine located in the city center, an informal place with a convivial atmosphere that offers many typical specialties such as a risotto with cabbage and lampredotto, fried brain, ribollita, the beans all'uccelletto with sausage, the peposo dell'impruneta, and, of course, the Fiorentina. Tripe, peposo, and stracotto are just some of the strong preparations of Burde, one of the Florentine references in terms of meat and local history, founded in 909 by Gori, called Burde, and his wife Giulia, and now brought forward by Andrea and Paolo. The restaurant still keeps inside the part of the shop, next to the bar, while in the other rooms the protagonists are the traditional dishes. Created by Federico Tacconi, L'Ortone is a modern trattoria appreciated by citizens and tourists, with a proposal that starts from tradition and aims at the contemporary. The restaurant, adjacent to the market of Sant'Ambrogio, is on 2 floors and has a terrace overlooking the square. Great protagonist the grill, with a very careful selection of meat. Ristorante Vetreria has taken the place of a glassworks, of which traces remain in the sign recovered and in some details of the premises. The proposal is very wide and different from the Florentine tradition, but the great specialty is grilled meat. The innovation of Ristorante Vetreria is in the fini cooking method, also known as the reverse searing and widespread in the United States. Agricola Toscana is in the heart of Florence, few steps from the Duomo Cathedral and the Uffizi. The queen dish is the Fiorentina steak, from selected meat. There you have it, our selection of the best meat restaurants in Venice. Follow us on our social media, visit our website www.theitalianstate.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe.